It's been a year since our intrepid explorer Lucy launched on her 12-year-long journey to the Trojan asteroids. Oh hey! You're coming back our way! You'll need a little bit of help from Earth to boost you all the way to your Trojan asteroid targets. This is an Earth Gravity Assist, or EGA. There we are. Planet Earth. Okay, Lucy. So this is the first of 2 EGAs to get out to the Trojan asteroids, with another to allow you to finish your tour. Each pass by Earth gives you that extra kick to get you all the way out deeper to space and steers you on the right track to your asteroid rendezvous. Whoa! Wait just a second, Lucy. The team here on Earth is doing some calculations to make sure you don't knock into any satellites or debris as you make your pass over us. Make sure to grab some images of Earth and the Moon on your way in. It'll also help us test your cameras and get you calibrated. The NASA Collision Assessment Risk Analysis team might have you do some small engine burn maneuvers to avoid crashing into anything. Some parts of the world, like here in Western Australia, will see you soaring over us like a star in the night sky. Others in the Western United States will be able to see you with binoculars. It was great seeing you pass through, Lucy. We'll see you again in December 2024 for your second Earth Gravity Assist that'll boost you out even further to get you your first look at the Trojan asteroids.